me a god. You call me a god. You call me a god. You call me a god.
Hi everybody. If you saw my first pre-review of this Mothra, it wasn't very good because of the wings. The wings are just like stickers, and that's not cool. But let's see what my unboxing review would be if I give Mothra more hope. So okay. As some of the ones who watch me on YouTube, they know that Mothra is like my favorite of the Kaijus, more or less. But so I've been looking forward to this one. Okay, it says okay, it's from Godzilla X Kong, the New Empire. Mothra with Jia. Ethereal guardian of Hollow Earth, Mothra takes flight. As an ally to both Godzilla and Kong, she uses her impressive wingspan to carry Jia where they are needed. Okay, so I guess she can carry Jia. That would be cool though. No, what am I doing? So I just cut this one open here. Oh, okay. Okay. I have some other Mothra figures. Maybe you've seen them. I will make them into like wall art because they have broken, all of them, more or less. I don't think I have one Mothra that's not broken. One was even broken before I opened it. So okay, so this one at least it wasn't broken before I opened it. But of course, with very small kids, this won't last very long, but will last longer than the NECA ones I had. And well, it is more or less no. I think it's a terrible thing they just made like stickers on Mothra. That's not cool at all. But it doesn't look as bad as I first thought, because these wings that was inside, you can see it, this one you can see most, and it's the worst one because look here. But these ones, they look okay. This one, some of them look a bit better, but it's okay. Like, well, it's not as bad as I thought. It's worth like $10 if you are a Godzilla fan, of course. Okay. Couldn't get the tape off. Okay. Okay. Doesn't look much like Jia, but okay. that's cute though. It really is. And Okay, well, it's a bit cute with the with the holding of Jia thing. That's cute. That's cute. Okay. Well, I would really like a very big size of this one with better wings. I might do like I would buy maybe an extra and do a repaint, some kind, but okay, okay. I don't know. I have some problem with my autofocus on this one. It's my new camera. So, okay. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope the autofocus didn't F up the whole situation here, but okay. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.
They call me a god. They call me a god. They call me a god. They call me a god.
Let's go. I'm about to go off like a weapon. Fuel to the top, got a filled up engine. In my thoughts, obsession. I will not stop, no, I'm never second guessing. I got a God complex. Haters love to hate, but I never feel pressed. Got a lot on my plate, but I never get stressed. I'll take all the pressure like I'm acing this test. Tear it up like I'm Jason. I see the world like it's ready for the taking. I see this place like a game I'm playing. Straight to the bank to collect my payments. No negotiations, it's my way, I was born impatient. And like a damn Freemason, I'll run this nation.
They call me a god. They call me a god. They call me a god. They call me a god.
I don't know how to stop. I just go till I drop. Whether it's working or shots, give it all that I got. You can watch me work in my element. Anyone in the way is irrelevant. You wanna cross me, cool, not intelligent. Cause I don't forget shit like an elephant. Go ahead and tempt me, put it on the line and you'll come up empty. If I got time, I'm deadly. Never caught off guard, no, I'm always ready. I got a hand real steady. Look me in the eye and you'll see no hezzy. About to get real messy. I'll put you in a grave 6 feet like Kenny.